Happy Sabbath, happy day, my beautiful people. Welcome back. Another amazing day, another amazing video, live and right from Moses to from the East Africa, Kenya. Today is a super Sabbath day, and we are just right at home. Let me show you my beautiful background where I am, guys. Do you see how calm and cool it is? That's why I always say thanks to God, because the wonderful weather that we breathe over here, guys, it's quite a blessing to us and everybody who are living in this village. Anyway, guys, welcome back. Today is a Saturday and we were just in church. It's lunchtime, so we have to break, and I'm going back to church, guys, in a very special day today. And I'm gonna have this big video to share out with you. Before I do anything, allow me to take this moment to send a special thanks to those who have been standing out to watch and to subscribe to our channel each and every day. Road to 5,000 subscribers. Guys, I don't know what's happening. My views are going down. Is there something mistake? But I kindly request you to share my videos, because you are my true lovers through the support you've been giving to this channel. Today's a Sabbath day, and we had something super serious that's going on in our church. We are planning to come up with a fundraise that will be happening on 12th April 2025. I have some few members I've already invited to join in hand so that we can build this church. I want to walk around, and I'm going to continue with this video to show you our church and everything that it's really lacking behind. But anyway, guys, this is just like a special video for my church, because I grew up in that church. That's why you see me always taking over, always taking charge, to be in the front line, to invite even the friends to come and help us during this big day of fundraise to build our church. Anyway, this is how it is. Real life in the village, guys. You see, I'm just in the bush. Some might ask himself, why are you every now and again you are in the bush? I'm in the bush because that's where our home is situated. See right here, guys. That's my grandparents' home, and it's a bit clear nowadays. A long time ago, it was very bush, because we had a lot of trees around. But right now, they are trying to clear them up. Like this road wasn't here some days back, but right now you can see it's right here. So guys, this is the church I'm talking about. As you can see, it's really open. Groundnuts around. Yes, guys, this beautiful church that's under construction. You can see it from here. It brings a very nice and proper view. Our aim is to clear the roof. Our aim is to at least raise the roof during this fundraise. I promised myself that one day, one time, I'll have to do something that will leave a legacy. And this is what I now want to do, that will leave a legacy in this church. It has been in this situation for like some years, and being that, you know, church is being built by the community. Church is a group thing, that a group will always come out to build it. People have gone for lunch. That's why you can see we have totally empty chairs in this church. But my aim, if you check even on the ground, how things are, situation looks very different, very different. This is the altar, guys. it does not bring a good image of the church. This where the altar is, this where people come to sit before they represent the word of God to people. And this church is being built. It's super big, as you can see from this end up to the other end. Reason being, you know, church is something that will last just like your home or houses that we live into. And a church is like a family that grows each and every day. That's why we do build it in a very big way, because it grows each and every day. I have a very nice testimony of this church, because since it has been here right now, it has gone for only 3 years, and during these 3 years, guys, we have really counted a lot of blessings in this community. Someone was just telling me some days back that church, we should not involve ourselves in building a church, but according to the Bible, the temple was built, and that's why we have also to build the temple of God. Church has a very big role. There's some situation whereby when something serious is happening in the village, people do rush to church to hide there. For example, during the flood, guys, I came to realize that during the flood seasons, in these areas that are very swampy, what do happen in that community is that people around that place, they run to nearby school or a church to hide there. Reason being, the church always has a very strong foundation. And I'm a believer, and I always believe that if you're truly in some hard situation, the only place that you can run and rest your case and rest your complaints is in the church. That's why I always stand here. I always stood out to say that let's build this church. We'll be having this fundraise on date 12 to April 2025. That's like 4 weeks to go. And I'm gonna invite each and every one of you to come and support me build this church. I want to send a special thanks to Mboya Pilgrim for always standing with us. He sent me amount during this fundraise that's coming, and on that day we'll represent this amount to the church. I already sent it. The only thing we'll have to do is to confirm and to read it on a video in front of people, as I'll say thank you Mboya Pilgrim for the great support towards this church building. I have our mom there, I have our dad there. We've also invited you to at least support us build this church. There's nothing big that we need, but the little that you're having, if I add with the little that the other person is having, guys, then we're gonna have a very big change. We're gonna build this church. Will not sit in this structure the way it is by the end of the year. Our aim right now is to install the roof, at least to put iron seat on that roof. That's why we are really praying and struggling super and extra hard at least to build it. As I started by saying that church is a communal thing whereby you cannot build it alone. But some people do, but you cannot. Even how much money you have, even the church, other fellows will not allow you to do it alone, because this where people grab the blessings. So guys, I'm right here to invite all my friends, all my audience who are watching me, to at least chip in and support us build this church. On this day that's coming, April 12th, 2025, let's gather together here through your contributions. Guys, prayer, contributions, advice, all will take it seriously, and we will really appreciate. The reason as to why sometimes I feel like being in the front line during this church building is because this is my home, guys. You see my home, and the church and my home is just like we are one place, because the church ends at this level. Do you see where I stand now? And that's my house. So when the church is here, that's my house, guys. Do you think we are not receiving the blessings from the church? And let me tell you, there are some three core things that whenever you see them in an area or a community, it brings some notification or a good image for that community. Number one, we have a school. If you see a school, a community where there's a school, guys, just know there's something good and nice about that village. If you see a church as a second demarcation, it shows that truly these people are believers, and they are also good people, because church nurtures people. Church let people understand their mistakes. Church make people grow. Another thing that if you see in that community will let you know that this a true blessed community. A hospital and the roads infrastructure, they're right here. So guys, this is why I'm taking this moment to welcome you all to this fundraising that gonna come up on that day 12th April 2025, right in my home after church. This is our home. Today I was not supposed to do this video, but I'm doing it on behalf of my church to seek help, to seek support to each and every one of you guys. For support system, our details are on the description. You can reach out to us if you want the church account. We'll also say it out, but let's chip in and support. $1, $2, $10. I'm going to ask very strongly and proudly, because this is now a church thing. Guys, kindly chip in and support. Let's build this church together. Heading home, we are from church. Modesta and Marin are already inside here. It's like they're sleeping. Marin is crying the other side. I don't know what's happening. Marin, why are you crying? Mommy's doing what? She's right. Mommy has done what? She's right here. Why are you sleeping? Yes, say hello. Hello. How are you? Where's mommy? Where's Nyasuba? This is my girl. She's in her dress from church. Where's Nyasuba? Nyasuba is sleeping. Okay. So guys, this is our beautiful and simple house right here. And we thank God for everything. Okay? Okay. So guys, our dog is eating. Yes. Right, yes. Our dog is eating the remnants of food. See, it's eating very healthy. And also, we are having this kind of chicks and hens around here. Why should this have only 3 chicks? What's happening? So guys, this real life in Africa, our real life at home. Stay tuned, more is coming. But remember to subscribe, like, share, don't forget to comment, and also come out. Let's build this church in Africa. At least let's break a record. The little thing that you're gonna support me with, I'll really announce it on our camera, because on that video, if you're gonna have big audience, we'll have to stream live, so that each and every person who has contributed will have to know their contribution is being accounted of. And that's our prayer, that each and everyone to be in this kind of way. You are my family. That's why I have to come out, at least to invite you, because I have no any other family apart from my YouTube team who watches me every day, who likes my video, who comment. That's why I am here. For this great support. Love you all. That dog always bites my hand. Get in. Get in, Marin.